Welcome to the world of birds. From A to Z, join us as we explore the skies and meet some feathered friends along the way. A. A for albatrosses. Where are albatrosses found? Most albatrosses are found in the southern hemisphere from Antarctica to Australia, South Africa, and South America. However, the 4 North Pacific albatrosses live elsewhere. 3 of them are in the North Pacific, from Hawaii to Japan, California, and Alaska. B. B for blue jay. Where is blue jay found? The blue jay occurs from southern Canada, including the southern areas of provinces from Alberta eastward to Quebec and throughout the Atlantic provinces, and throughout the eastern and central United States south to Florida and northeastern Texas. C. C for cardinal. Where is the cardinal found? The cardinal is found in southeastern Canada, through the eastern United States from Maine to Minnesota to Texas, New Mexico, southern Arizona, southern California, and south through Mexico, Belize, and Guatemala. It is also an introduced species in a few locations such as Bermuda and Hawaii. D. D for dove. Where is the dove found? Doves are found in just about every place on the planet, with the exception of locales of extreme temperatures such as the Sahara Desert and Antarctica. They are most likely to be found in forests and woodlands, out in the country, and in the big city. They are adaptable birds and can fit in wherever they can find food. E. E for eagle. Where is the eagle found? Most of the 68 species of eagles are from Eurasia and Africa. Outside this area, just 14 species can be found, 2 in North America, 9 in Central and South America, and 3 in Australia. F. F for finch. Where is the finch found? The finches have a near global distribution, being found across the Americas, Eurasia, and Africa, as well as some island groups such as the Hawaiian Islands.
Please like and subscribe my channel, press the bell icon.